Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook notes GIF option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And back to home screen. Second, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook and now update your Facebook app. Okay, wait a few seconds. Now complete your Facebook update. Back to home screen and now go to your phone settings and scroll down. Tap on apps option and tap on search bar. Search for Facebook. Then click on Facebook app and click on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. Back to home screen and now tap your permission option. First to last allow all permission. First calendar, allow back. Second call logs, allow back. Third camera, allow back. And another contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission complete. Back to home screen and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your Facebook app. Tap on profile icon, tap on note option, you can see your problem has been solved successful. Facebook gift option showing. I hope your problem has been solved. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.